One is a person is creating unknowingly because he has a belief and only on the one factor of the physical body. Whereas I am saying, expand the horizon of your understanding. Not only limit at one body, but reach. Now I will say, witness your emotions. How you feel emotionally. I will request you to witness your psychic impression. And that you cannot, because it is an internal phenomena. It is an internal phenomena. At a superficial stage, at the conscious mind level, at the 4% level, you cannot perceive the subconscious. You cannot explore your subconscious. For that you must know the internal yoga. That is the Shiva Yoga. You'll have to go inside and explore. And after that, you will know that, oh, this is the wrong thing which I am holding on to. Let me release this. After I release this, then what is it I want? I must pick that and I plant it. And that is how I can change my life. I can bring in the absolute healing. The healing powers are there within you. So remember one thing, the seed, everything is in the dormant form inside you. And you are, when I say Aham Brahmasmi, you pick up that seed and you nurture. And that becomes a tree. And that is the fruit of that tree you have to eat. Now, ignorantly, if you are nurturing the seed of a disease, if you are ignorantly nurturing the seed of bad relationship, if you are nurturing ignorantly the seed of poverty, if ignorantly you are nurturing the seed of failure, if ignorantly you are nurturing the seed of frustration and sorrow, that is what is going to come in your life. So Shiva Yoga is knowingness. Now Shiva Yoga is knowingness. You must witness every thought which you are having. You must today write down what are the beliefs which you are carrying in you. The belief that this disease cannot be cured, it has become a belief, write down. I cannot succeed beyond this level, write down. I cannot achieve this, write down. And then you must study. These are your limiting beliefs. So when you are going to do sadhana, what is it you will have to do? You will have to remove these. And how will you remove? Because the roots are somewhere in some of your subtle body at a particular level. So why we do meditation? We go deep inside us. We reached up to that level of that where the roots are originating. We go and pluck those roots. Many times it has happened that just immediately, and that is what you are going to experience within 2-3 days' time, that when we will reach to that level, we'll go to that meditation, we'll go to the root cause and release everything. And the people, they'll come out and they will say that 7-year-old disease or 10-year-old disease, and so much of it was bothering, just in one sitting, it disappeared. Now this is a science, it is not a miracle.